Hello, Ganesha here. In this session, I'm going to share with you how you are navigating and checking your back office, and also the important thing of enrolling a new rep. I'm going to give you the details of how to go about it. First of all, you have to visit the website myvideotalkindia.com. Okay, here you are. Now here once again you go to the representative info, click on that. So here you can see so many buttons. You have to click the login button. You get into the login page where you have to put the ID number, and password and click login. Change the placement setting. Placement setting change is important because where you want to place that guy, assuming that you got some 10 people on your left side and you want to put that person on the right side. The default will be on the left side. You have to change it to right side. What I mean by left and right is you look at the monitor, whatever is on your left hand side, if you touch from your left hand of the screen, that is your left hand, and right hand of your screen is your right hand. Just check that. Once you're there, you go to my profile. In my profile, you have to change the preferred placement. You have to click the preferred placement. Choose your preferred placement. Choose the preferred placement for new representative. This will be used when new reps sign up via the person replicated website. So here preferred placement, you have got two options. One is the rep and one is the right. So you can select left or right and click save changes. So when you click organization, you get this button enroll new. You have to click that enroll new. So here you can select the countries. The drop down menu will get you the countries. I am selecting India and clicking the button continue. This is your enrollment form. You can see here sponsor Asha Rao 148337. I'll make an enrollment so that I can show you how it is done. So first name Ganesh Rao. Sorry, second name is Rao. My company name, my PAN number, whatever. Date of birth, let's say 01/01/1988. Information, bill address, whatever you can write. Bill address to India country, pin code 560094, bill city Bangalore, Karnataka. So here whatever the ostrich, the fields which are marked with this ostrich, you have to fill it up. It's a compulsory field. So shipping address you need not have to repeat again. Just put a dash, and that's it. So here your mobile number. Work phone is not required, cell phone you can put, email ID, okay, @gmail.com. Password you can put any password. Here what you have to do is next, business builder package $369.9. See, if you are opening multiple IDs, let's assume one person is taking 3 IDs which is available in India. You have to, first ID you have to put the PAN number, second and third ID put a dash in the SSN field, because once you enter one PAN number, the second and third ID you have to put a dash so that you can enroll a person's 3 IDs. You call tripod, very easily. So once you are done, you just continue, click the continue button. You are here, ship state. Okay, I haven't entered. See, if you have made a mistake, it will tell you state. See, you can see here, it's a compulsory field, you have to fill it up, then continue. Okay, so it has come here, business builder package. The payment, there are two options, pay by credit card and wire transfer. If you are making a cash transfer, NEFT transfer, cash deposit, DD or whatever, you have to click the wire transfer button so that the ID is created. Then you can make the payment and write to support@myvideotalk.com. Details of which, the payment details you have to mention with the ID number and username. Then you can activate your product. But if you are paying through credit card, you have to select the pay by credit card. I'm repeating, you have to select wire transfer if you are making payment other than credit card. If you are paying through credit card, you have to click the wire transfer and get your ID activated. What I'm going to do is, next page I'm going to pay by credit details and everything. Then you have to click the process payment, process enrollment. Okay, so that's it. This is how you do a creation of an ID, placement settings, and how to create an ID and make the payment and everything, credit card or wire transfer. Wire transfer means any other mode of payment other than credit card. Thank you very much. Learn by following these steps and it's very, very easy. Thank you. I'm Ganesh Rao signing off. Ruby President's Club from Bangalore.